Congratulations, complimenti, you have just finished this course. I hope you enjoyed our lessons and that these sentences will be useful in your everyday life, during your travels, or while you're working. I'm very proud of your progress and I hope you are as well. There are still many things to discover about this island language, but you have done a great job. If you want to, I'm going to ask you to leave a comment to this course in order to express your opinion about it so that I can grow as a teacher and that we can improve our course. So it will only take you a couple of minutes and I really appreciate it. I really hoping to see you here soon for a new lesson, for a new course, and thank you for being with me. Ciao!